I have here the Reactiv Instinct Bluetooth speaker. An unboxing of it. Comes with a warranty card and a little thank you card. Little packaging paper for the speaker itself. Looks very nice. I'll get back to that in a second. Show what else is inside. More packaging. More packaging. Comes with a microfiber carrying case with Reactiv logoing on it, with a nice design on it as well. I'm glad they included that to protect the nice speaker. Comes with a flat auxiliary cable and a micro USB cable to charge the speaker. It also comes with an instruction manual. Nice and useful. Also comes in a nice box. I'll get back to the speaker now. It looks very nice. Size in comparison to my hand. Got a nice honeycomb design in the front. You have Reactiv's logoing right here. It's all black all around. On the back there's nothing except a spec sheet taped on or stuck on. On top you have a Bluetooth button which can act as a play and pause and volume controls. On this side you have an auxiliary port, an on-off switch, and then micro USB port to charge the speaker. On the bottom you have 4 feet to help the speaker to not slide. Now I'll show you how to set it up. Step 1 is to turn it on. You also have a light here, status light. Put into pairing mode by holding down the Bluetooth button. And once it starts flashing red and blue, it means it's ready to pair with your device. I'll use my iPhone 5 for this. It is called Reactiv, as you can see in the bottom there. I'll tap to pair to it, wait for it to connect, and now it's connected. Now play some audio.
So faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me.
Sounds very good. It can get very loud.
In your shoes.
Play and pause.
Every step that I take.
It beeps every time you press the play and pause button. Also beeps at you once it's at max volume. Also lower the volume by tapping buttons or holding it down. Just like this.
Can't you see that you're smothering me? Holding you tightly, afraid to lose control. 'Cause everything that
Speaker sounds very good. It's very easy to use. It's also lightweight. It's a very nice design. Nice honeycomb design all over. Even on the sides and top. This is a very nice speaker. I recommend it. This review is done by Zachary, and I give the speaker a 5-star rating.